It's John again, and we'll be going over first to start off. I'll show you my C# script, and you can see I have speed and jump force and a bunch of different variables set up. Basically, the code that's working right now is my movement. So I got my move, and then it collects whatever input you're giving, and then it gets your horizontal axis, and then it'll set your velocity as well. There's some code in here for jumping and yeah, there's some code for jumping and some animation code, but that's going to be further implemented in time to come. And over here, you can see I got my hierarchy. You can see what I click, it'll highlight. And then we'll go over my player and the bounding boxes. So I have a rigid body 2D component, and there's some features over here like your mass and your positions. I have this set up. It freezes your Z rotation because if you move and you might hit like a small, like maybe it's just something small, your character will flip over, and you don't want that. And also here you can see the green. That's my box collider. So if I click Edit Collider, you can actually move it, and then over on the right you can see the offset will change. I have it inside my character just a little bit for animation purposes, just to make it seem a little more realistic. And then as an example, I have this box over here sitting up in the sky, and I have its X position frozen right now because I'll show you that it'll drop to the ground, and then if I run my character into it, it won't move. The box won't, so we'll go to it. And you see the box doesn't move. But if we unfreeze both positions, then we can see it'll drop, and then I can push it out of the way. But something interesting, is you can actually change the mass, which will actually change the weight of the object. So I set it to 100, and now it's a lot harder to move. So I thought that was pretty interesting. It was something I found. And there's just some various other like different little things you can do. Like up here, you can change the color of a tile and things like that. You can change the color of an asset. And I think that's about it. So thank you for your time.